Alright, so it is the next morning, and didn't get a lot of video with this camera. It was just, it's impossible to do. It was just super spontaneous and got into an 8-car shootout. It went surprisingly well for me. I mean, I won a race. Wasn't expecting to win a race, so hopefully the cell phone videos aren't too terrible quality. They're most of the time 1080-60, so you should be able to see quite a bit. And it's not in BFE, so you won't have to. It's not all dark. There's actually light, so it shouldn't be bad. But got back in here at like 5 in the morning. Woke up at 10, and I'm starving. We need to go get some food. So TX2K is already more lit than last year. I mean, it was just unreal. We got chased around a ton trying to get some hits off, and the last 2 rounds, which, you know, 8 cars, let's see, it's 4, 2, 1, so there's only 3 rounds, like 7 races or something like that, so it's not terrible. It's not hard to do, but it can be, especially whenever they're everywhere. But about 3:30, it seemed like they let off, and we were able to knock out the last 3 races, and it was nuts. Got wheelied on, but the first round, as you saw, guy crashed. Was a little bit nuts. Didn't know what had happened until I turned around, was coming back down the road, and everybody's running, so I thought it was cops, and I was like, is it the cops? And they were like, no, he wrecked, and it was pretty bad. I'll post a picture up of it. And he's a super nice guy, and had a good time running him. That was just sort of a fluke thing. I've never had that happen before, so it was a little nuts and a little weird, and it was just like a adrenaline rush all at the same time, because then I got a phone call saying there are cops, you need to either leave or we need to be on the trailer. And yeah, what do you think, Jimmy?
I try not to. I think I still had Skinny's secret sauce or whatever stuck on my eyelid.
Dude, it doesn't surprise me. There's probably stuff everywhere.
And I showered.
Yeah, I know. It was, it's like a blur. That was just like, I mean, the senses are just unreal. So, I got to meet tonight, and hopefully some tacos, and then racing tomorrow. I don't think we'll race tonight. I doubt it unless something happens. I can't say no, because who knows what somebody will invite us to. But I know, as funny as it is, once I did get put out, the relief of watching, you know, that's why everybody's like, oh, we can go back to the so-and-so and run, and it's no big deal. Yeah, they're not the ones running and unloading the car and all that mess. You know, heart's going a million miles a minute. They don't have those issues. So it's easy to say, let's just go back and run and, you know, risk getting, you know, popped and tickets and all that good stuff. But alright, we're gonna go find us something to eat. I'm starving. I think we still have to wake Beefy up. Wake up. Wake up, Beefy. Anyways. So, washing the car, we got to meet tonight, and there should be a bunch of stuff there. Big shout out to Lee Tuning and Performance. Car did an immaculate job last night, and doesn't really seem like it needs any more power, but we are going to put a little bit more power to it, maybe later on this year. So wheels are shined up, car's washed off, and so we just need to, we're going to just chill out for a little bit, shoot the breeze. It's really nice. I mean, you can see I'm in a t-shirt. It's like 60 something degrees, and got a slight breeze, so it's nice, not too bad, especially with a hoodie on. But with me working on the car, got a little bit hot, but having an absolute blast down here in Texas. It is just absolutely just a great time. So this is every spring. I love doing this, or I mean, this is the second time, and I plan on doing this even more. Wife's probably gonna come next year, maybe even a little one. We just, you know, guys are awesome. We just had a good time. So hopefully, you know, make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that. You know, we're doing a bunch here down at TX2K on the street, at least. Don't go to the track. It is what it is. So, but this is second year, and you know, we made it one round last year. We made it one round in a little old 8 car cash days. This year, you know, it's been legit. It's been pumped up. Cool to meet new people, new friends, and stuff like that. So, yep, we'll see you at the meet.